Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the Gmail account you want to switch to. Once signed in, add that account to your device if needed. Go to your avatar, choose Manage Accounts, and sign in. Make sure Backup and Sync is turned on for the new account so photos upload there. You do this first because transferring ownership or access requires both accounts active and synced. Without that, you cannot move full photo libraries reliably. Next, transfer images from the old Gmail account to the new one. The cleanest method is partner sharing. In Settings, choose Partner Sharing, enter the new account, and select to share all photos. Once accepted on the new account, enable saving to library so images copy over automatically. If you prefer manual control, select Photos, use Share right arrow Add to Partner or create a shared album, and then save to library on the new account. Make sure albums move too. Some items need manual copying. Finish by confirming the new Gmail account shows all photos and albums and that device backups are active. Once satisfied, you can remove the old account from the device or revoke access in Google Account Settings. This prevents future uploads into the wrong account. If photos are missing, check that Backup and Sync was on for the old account before transfer and that partner sharing included all dates. If something still fails, re-enable backup on the source account and wait for uploads to complete, then repeat the copy step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.